Your likes and subscription of Maruchingu will help us to make better quality lessons. Let's start. Tip number 1. Sound shift. The tips are not actual grammars but important information in order to learn Korean. I recommend you checking our basic lesson video first if you are not confident of reading Korean alphabet properly. You can learn how to read and write Korean there. The lesson needs a textbook. If you still don't have it, please click URL below and download it first. What is sound shift? In Korean, words pronounced in conversation among people sometimes differ from the actual word in written. Actual word, sound shifted and pronounced as this. Actual word, 독일, 직업. How does sound shift work? It happens when first word ends with a 받침 and the second word starts with a vowel. A 받침 moves and combines with the following vowels. As a result, the 받침 disappears and the 받침 disappear combines with O vowel here. The reason for happening sound shift is simply to speak smoothly. Actual word, difficult to pronounce. 금요일, 금요일. autumn, autumn. Pronounced word easier now after sound shift. 금요일, 금요일. autumn, autumn. Be careful, words pronounced are not correct spelling. But don't worry, it happens spontaneously when you speak as word says and quickly. Speak quickly. 동물원, 동물원. 범인, 범인. 믿음, 믿음. 집안, 집안. Short test. Be ready for test. Prepare your textbook. Short test 1. Write down each word's pronunciation as an example shown. Stop video and write answers. Answers. Number 1. 직원, 직원. Number 2. 믿음, 믿음. Number 3. 일본어, 일본어. Number 4. 동물원, 동물원. Number 5. 월요일, 월요일. Number 6. 범인, 범인. Short test 2. Write down each word's actual spelling as an example shown. Stop video and write answers. Answers. Number 1. 금요일, 금요일. Number 2. 중국인, 중국인. Number 3. 졸업, 졸업. Number 4. 얼음, 얼음. Number 5. 웃음, 웃음. Number 6. 집안, 집안. The lesson is over now. We are going to learn the grammar lesson number 1 in the next video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like for your study. 감사합니다. Hi there, Ismail. I'd like to communicate with people. Leave any comments for learning Korean and others. I will answer that as soon as I can. 감사합니다.